What is up, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video to my channel, and we have an unboxing that we got to do. And if you're wondering, weren't you just wearing this shirt last video? Well, yeah, because I'm recording all these videos same day, so obviously I'm gonna have the same shirt on. But who cares? We're not here to talk about the shirt. We're here to talk about some shoes. So I have a pair of shoes right here that it kind of just happened. I didn't plan to pick these up. It just kind of like happened. I saw them for a really good price for a steal, and I just had to scoop them up. They were my size. Well, these are actually 8.5, but these work, and I just had to scoop them up because when I saw that price, it was a good price for these shoes. And I just had to do it. So we're gonna get into this box right here. This shoe is a couple years old. That's the thing. Prices right now for this pair of shoes specifically, it's going over 500, somewhere around there. Brand new. But like I said, I saw these for a steal. Had to scoop them up to add them to my collection. And before we get into the shoes, I want to give a huge shout out to Soul Steals. If you don't know what Soul Steals is a membership website where they have pretty much steals. That's why they're called Soul Steals. But it's a membership website. You pay monthly, and you have access to their website, and they have a whole bunch of steals there. For example, like Nike, Adidas shoes, Yeezys, Jordans, Off-Whites. They even have a little bit of Supreme and Bape for those people that like Supreme and Bape. And every Sunday they add new inventory to the website, and you can go pick the shoes up. Prices are really good. And like I said, when I saw them for this price, I had to grab them. I couldn't pass on them. I was actually thinking about picking these shoes up, but you know, prices were kind of crazy. And you know, one day I was just chilling. I got a notification that they added these to the site, and I just had to scoop them up, and I managed to scoop them up, and they're finally here. So enough talking, let's open these bad boys up and take a look at the shoes. So got them out the box. The only thing is that these didn't come with the original box, so it was just pretty much just the shoes. But for the price, and it was kind of like my size, I just couldn't pass on it. And like at the end of the day, I'm wearing the shoes, not the box, so I didn't really care. So it comes in this see-through hefty bag, and you can already see the shoes, what they are. So let me take out the shoes out the bag, and bam, here we have it. The Supreme Air Jordan 5s in this camo colorway. Now, like I said, got these for a steal for a really good price. It didn't come with the box, but you know, like I said, I'm not wearing the box, I'm wearing the shoes. And these shoes were worn. The site said that these were in excellent condition, and these are in excellent condition. Obviously, you can kind of see some wear on these on the bottoms, kind of dirty. You got that Jumpman Supreme right there, but yeah, nothing too crazy, just dirty bottoms pretty much, and slightly creasing. Not really. You can kind of see right there that crease, but look at that toe, it's still in excellent condition. Same thing with the other one. You can barely see any creasing except for this part right here, but that happens on all Jordan 5s. And bro, I don't see anything wrong with these except for obviously the worn bottoms, but other than that, these shoes are beautiful. Like, look at this shoe. When these dropped back in the day, it was this camo colorway, an all white colorway, and an all black colorway. Out of all three, This one was my favorite one, the camo, and then the black one, and then the white one. But yeah, man, this shoe is in very excellent condition. The netting right there is not even yellow, and it says SUP inside. You got that 95, and obviously the whole shoe has that camo vibe to it. You got that SUP right there. Your tongue, I'm pretty sure this is 3M. You got black Jumpman 3M tongue. You got that lace lock, black laces, and then your midsole is all black. You got your bubble right there, and then your shark teeth is red with like silver splatters on them, as you guys can see right there. Bam. And then obviously clear bottom with the Jumpman and a Supreme logo down there. And yeah, man, this shoe is in excellent condition. Shout out to Soul Steals. I'm pretty sure none of y'all over there at Soul Supremacy or Soul Steals are watching my videos, but if someone is, you know, thank you for the steal. And I've purchased shoes from Soul Steals all the time. I got my Cause 4s from Soul Steals. I got my OVO 12s, the all black colorway, off of Soul Steals. I actually sold those, so I'm sorry. But yeah, like I said, dude, they have a ton of steals on there. I definitely recommend you guys checking them out, and it's 100% worth it. I've been a member for like over a year now, and you know, gems. They have gems in there for really good prices. And on the back of the tongue, it says Air Jordan and Supreme backwards. And yeah, I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, you guys probably can't see that, but there's a Jumpman times Supreme in there. Yeah, you guys can't see that. But yeah, you have a black Jumpman on the back tab, on the back, on the ass area. And yeah, man, shout out to Soul Steals. Honestly, beautiful shoe in my opinion. Definitely gonna be wearing these, rocking these bad boys. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Just a little something I grabbed. Didn't really plan on grabbing, and it just kind of happened. Supreme Air Jordan 5s, camo colorway. Really dope shoe in my opinion. Very, very good looking shoe. And yeah, that's gonna be it for this video right here. I'm gonna end it here. Some of you guys always ask where's some good places to pick up shoes, and Soul Steals is one of them. So yeah, definitely go check them out. Their website will be down in the description down below. So if you guys want to go look. But that's gonna be it for this video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new for more videos like this in the future, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.